All right, howdy. My name is Dean Orenstein. I am the project manager for Schedule-4-Me, and I am going to demo Schedule-4-Me today. So this is our home page, and it just introduces the user to our product. They can choose to sign in with Google, or they could skip signing in. Let's sign in with Google. All right, so here's our accounts. I'm just going to go ahead and choose this one. And this is our dashboard page. So this is one of the new features that we have introduced this semester. This page is responsible for showing the user their schedules that they have made. There's an option to view, edit, or delete the schedule, which actually are not working right now, but that's something to be developed in the future. But I'll go ahead and just create the new schedule. And this is our main page here that the user can import or input the different criteria. They could have priority to their tasks. They can have duration in minutes. They can have if the task is active or passive. And if it's passive, that means that they can do that task in the background. And then we have the deadline day. We have the deadline time. And we can go ahead and create a new task, and it'll make a new task, or we can just delete it if they don't want that. We have the instructions right here, which tells the user what different features do. We have time blocks right here, which is basically tasks that the user repeatedly does. So they have sleep time, lunch time, and they can create new ones. And they can also say which days they repeat. But these are the default ones. We have this to-do list feature, which I will show you later. But let's just go ahead and create this schedule here. And this is the page that shows the schedule that was made. So as you can see, the repeated things are happening every day, and the new task that we added right here, walk the dog, is here. And so what the algorithm's doing is it's optimizing where to put the tasks in the schedule. And so if we have a bunch of tasks, maybe we have like 5 tasks and they're maybe due on different days, the algorithm will find that you can maybe do all the tasks in one day. And so it will put them all, it'll put them in the time slots that they can go into as early as possible. And you don't have to do that yourself. But then we also have different ways here of saving the schedule. We could save it as a text file, you could save it to Google Docs, or we could save it to the Google Calendar. So I'll go ahead and do So I'll go ahead and show you my Google Docs that there are no current schedules here, and in Google Calendar there is currently no tasks. But let's see what happens when we finish the schedule. It'll go ahead and save the schedule to a text file, and it'll bring us to this success page with this beautiful GIF. And then we have an option to go back to the dashboard or make another schedule. So let's just go back to the dashboard. This has yet to be fixed, but it's another item, so that's something. We also have the schedule here. This is the schedule in a text file, and as you can see, we have the schedule in Google Docs. This is supposed to work. I don't know why it's not, but but then also we have Google Calendar. Here you go. Google Calendar, it has added the different tasks here. So now let me go ahead and show you passive tasks. So I went ahead and added a laundry task and a go to store task. The laundry task is passive, and they're both due at the same time. So let's create this schedule, and let's see what it did. So as you can see, laundry is from 6 to 7, and go to store is from 6 to 6:30. So you can put the laundry in at 6, and we can go to the store right after we do the laundry. So that's how that works. Okay, now I will show you the importing feature from Google Sheets. So really all the user has to do is import the link for their Google Sheets to-do list. So they can put it right here. And the to-do list has to be in this format. So it has to be the to-do list format that Google Sheets has. So as you can see, we have a few tasks on today. We have some for tomorrow, the next day. And so what Schedule-4-Me is going to do is it's going to take this link, and using the Google Sheets API, It's going to fill out the tasks here. Since the task and the date is specified, there still needs to be the times and the durations, priorities, and passive or not specified as well by the user manually. So I'm going to just do that real quick. All right, so I went ahead and filled out the durations and priorities here. 313 is 1,000 minutes because that is too true, as well as 315 is 2,000. And watch TV, I just did 5,000 because you can't get enough TV. So let's create that. Oh, wait, we need a name. Okay, so there's some error checking here as well. So that's nice. Forgot to mention that. And here we are. Here is the schedule. Now, another feature for the future would be to make this page look nicer, to maybe have the ability to move around tasks. Right now it's very static and it doesn't look the best. But as you can see, we have all of our different tasks here. You get the general idea. I don't think actually all the tasks aren't on here. So there's a problem with the math, but so yeah, that was Schedule-4-Me. And I hope you enjoyed. Thank you.